Here we go, guys. First ever ride in Hypercoastee here at the Land of Legends theme park. And we are filming with the GoPro Hero 9 with horizon lock and one of the tallest loops in the world. I am so excited. You know that I love Mac rides. Is it tall? No, not at all. Okay, guys, here we go. Hypercoastee. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. Oh, the airtime. Wow. Guys, this is wow. Wow. I know. I say wow a lot. This is a really good roller coaster. At least in version here. Oh, nice. And it's, I don't know. It's not that much theming on the coaster, but that is one hell of a roller coaster. Wow! I mean that in a good way, guys. That is so good. Feels amazing riding a roller coaster in almost 40 degrees. Let's go on that again, but let's ride in the back. Wow! Mac rides did it again. That was such a good roller coaster. Wow. That is great. That is really good.